This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier, and the heat pumps are only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil from damage due to flying debris from a lawnmower or hail, and the guarantee on the brand is not as good as some of the other brands. The units use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32. The Performance Series N4H5S models are basic heat pumps that produce about as much noise as a normal conversation and a relatively low 8.1 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the Ion Series C4H5S models are basic heat pumps that have Wi-Fi connectivity through the Ion system control. The N4H7T is a premium heat pump with sound-reducing features such as a compressor blanket and quiet shift technology when going into the defrost mode. The unit has a 2-stage compressor for longer heating and cooling cycles, but only a standard single-speed condenser fan motor. The Ion Series C4H7T models are premium 2-stage heat pumps with communicating capability and a better guarantee that includes a 10-year no-hassle replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. The CVH8 is their offering in the ultimate category, but the units are not true variable speed heat pumps as they only have 5 stages of compressor operation. They have a variable speed fan for quiet and efficient operation, and they are about as quiet as a typical household refrigerator. They feature SmartSense technology, which allows the system to adapt to changing weather conditions to provide longer running cycles for enhanced comfort. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.